quantum superposition is the ability of a quantum system to be in multiple states at the same time until it is measured. You can easily create a superposition state using the Hadamard gate. The Hadamard gate is a single qubit operation that maps the basis state to a superposition state. In the matrix form, the Hadamard gate can be represented by this. If you apply the Hadamard gate to Cat0, and Cat0 can be represented by 1, 0, and you go through the matrix multiplication, you will end up to this, and this can be written as a superposition state of Cat0 and Cat1, which is represented as a Cat plus state. Similarly, if you apply a Hadamard gate to a Cat1 state, you end up to be a superposition state with a negative sign here, which is a Cat minus state. We can also represent the Hadamard gate in the outer product form. And if you apply a Hadamard gate to a Cat1 state, and given this autonomous relationship for the basis factors, you can work out that a Hadamard gate on the Cat1 will yield a superposition state with a negative sign here, and that is the Cat minus state. Let's go to the code to see how to perform the Hadamard gate. We will demonstrate using the Cirq and the Qiskit. Cirq and Qiskit are the two most popular quantum computing programming language. First, we will import the libraries for the Cirq, and we create a single qubit state and name it Q0, and we do a measurement on this Q0 qubit, and we go through a simulator and plot out the result. As you can see, there's only a pure single state 0. But now if we apply a Hadamard gate on this single qubit and do the measurement, we can print out the circuit, Hadamard gate followed by measurement, and go through the simulator, and we end up with a superposition state of 0 and 1. We can also do the Hadamard gate using the Qiskit. First, we'll import the Qiskit library and create a single qubit quantum circuit, and we can import the Qiskit air library to do the simulation. Before the Hadamard gate, we have a pure state. After, we can construct a Hadamard gate acting on the single qubit, and the circuit can be seen over here, Hadamard gate on the single qubit, and then we do a measurement. And if we go through the simulator and plot out the results, we can see that it will yield a superposition state of Cat0 and Cat1. So the result for the Qiskit is consistent with the result from the Cirq. This concludes the video on quantum superposition. If you like to feedback on the video, we welcome your comment below. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.